People, Coupon and Crystle here with another Walmart Ibotta haul, guys. I did some new rebates and I did some food rebates. I want to share it with my lovely people. Now, of course, I did some repeat rebates, but we're not going to make you guys see those again. You can see another one of my Ibotta hauls and I will link the playlist above, okay? So let's jump into this haul. First product I decided to get, lovely people, was the 3-pack bar soap of the Dove. Okay, yes, price $3.47. There is a $1 Ibotta rebate, and there is also Shop Kick that's attached to this. Now, if you scan in store, you're going to get 20 kicks for scanning in store, and when you upload the receipt, you're going to get 175 kicks, which is the equivalent of 78 cents. So we're getting a total of $1.78 coming back, combined with Ibotta and Shopkick, making the final cost be $1.69. I think that's pretty good for 3 bars of Dove soap. Now, the next product that I got, lovely people, was on the Snuggle Exhilarations. I love these little things. They smell really good. These are like scent booster packs, okay? Quite a bit in here. You got 26 loads, so that is great. They were priced $3.97 in my Walmart. I did not have a coupon, so I had to pay $3.97 in the store. There is a $2.50 Ibotta rebate, making the final cost be $1.47 for the Snuggle. Yes. The next thing I got, guys, was some tuna. I finally found this freaking tuna, guys. This mess is hard to find. I don't know why. If it was a snake, it would have bit me. Because what I do, I check the Walmart app for the Walmart that I'm going to before I even go to the store. Because I don't want to be just doing all that extra walking around, exposing myself to people for no reason. So if I'm going to get this product and it says it's there, I'm going to look for it, okay? So this is the Geneva, I believe that's how you pronounce it. It's a yellow fin tuna, and this one is in olive oil. There is another rebate, I believe, but I didn't see that one. So this one was priced $1.88. I had to pay $1.88. I did not have a coupon. There is a 75-cent Ibotta rebate, making the final cost be $1.13 for some canned tuna. You know, my husband eats tuna, okay? I think that's a great deal, and it's going to go up in my winter stock up prepper pantry. I'm still prepping. Because people are doing panic buying, guys. Have you noticed? Were you out this weekend and did you see in the store? I don't know if you guys are experiencing this in your area. Let me know in the comments below. But my sister went to Walgreens today, and a Walgreens that we go to, we're in North Carolina, a Walgreens that we go to actually has put us back on the restriction of one paper product, okay? Because we had come off of that, and now they've put us back on it, because I think people have started to panic buy again, okay? They were even putting it on the news that all the larger stores in this area are putting back a restriction on the paper products, guys. Here we go. Okay, here we go. All right, the next thing I got, guys, was this product, and it is, I think it's Daya, maybe I'm saying that right. It is a Fiesta breakfast burrito, and the reason why I got this, because it is a plant-based breakfast product. It looks pretty tasty, guys. It is a Fiesta breakfast burrito with egg style scrambled black beans, peppers, potatoes, and cheddar style shreds. So I thought this was something that my husband would probably eat for breakfast, okay? It was priced $3.38. Paid $3.38 in the store, got back a $1.50 Ibotta rebate, making the final cost be $1.88. All right, next product I got, guys, was a pretty good size of Snuggle plus the super fresh Snuggle. Yeah, super fresh. It smells good. $3.97, guys. No coupon. So I paid $3.97 in the store. I back the $2.50 Ibotta rebate, making the final cost be $1.47 for the Snuggle. This is a good size Snuggle, guys. This is a 46 load of Snuggle. Yes, I love Snuggle. Can you tell? The last thing that I got, guys, was some more burritos. More burritos for my husband. Now, these are called the Alpha Burrito. These are plant-based burritos, okay? They were $2.64 for a total of $5.28. Now, there is a buy one, get one Ibotta rebate. So it means when they say the buy one, get one, you must buy what they tell you to buy, which is 2. Must buy 2. So there is also, when I scanned it, there was a 10-cent any frozen entree that actually attached to this as well. So those any items, guys, make sure you clip in those and listen to those little few second videos so you can get that extra 10 cents. It's money, okay? Free money. So it was $2.64 for the 2, which is $5.28. I got back the $2.64, plus I got back the additional 10 cents, making the final cost be $2.54 for the 2. I think that's pretty good. Now, this one was a chicken fajita, okay? But listen to this. They said meatless grilled chicken with dairy-free spicy cheddar, onions, and peppers in fajita sauce, okay? All right. And then the next one, the green one, is a meatless beef style crumble with dairy-free provolone, peppers, mushrooms, and onions. So, you know, I think he's gonna like that. You guys let me know in the comments below if you've ever tried these plant-based burritos before. I will be sure to let you guys know how he likes them, okay? He'll probably be eating these, you know, this week. Okay, so we must go over the numbers. Now, in order to pay for this haul, I transferred $40 of Ibotta money to my PayPal account. The total of all the items was a total of $21.95. And I did not have not one coupon, guys. All right, so the total of the rebates, the Ibotta rebates was $10.99. And the total of shop kit coming back was 78 cents for a final cost of $10.18. I think that's pretty good, guys. I got a total of 7 items for $10.18. And considering I got actual laundry products, got a little bit of food, and I got some Dove, yeah, that's good. $1.45 each. Not too bad. Not too bad, guys. All right, guys, that is it. Now, I'm on level 4, guys. Let us know in the comments what level you are on in Ibotta. I want to shout out all my new lovely people that decided to hit the subscribe button and hopefully the bell for notifications and decided to join the coupon crew, okay? Decided to join in with all my lovely people that always comment and share and like my videos. I appreciate you guys so very much. You guys are awesome. And you know I love to coupon, but y'all just make it so much more fun because we get to chit chat in the comments and talk about things, and you guys always keep each other informed, and me too, about coupons and things. One of the lovely people commented about going on the Lala website to get the Lala smoothie coupon. Somebody also, a lovely person, contacted the Just for the tampons and pads. I actually did this rebate again, but I wasn't gonna put in this video, guys, because we just did this the other day, so y'all already know about it, okay? All right, but somebody contacted them to see if they were going to if they've got coupons available, okay? So I'm sure if they get their coupons, they're gonna come back in the comments and let us know, okay? Yes, auntie, we keep each other informed here in this crew. All right, guys, that is it Remember, click to save and you will be amazed. Bye-bye.